Hey everyone, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. Today we are going to be doing a quick diamond painting haul. I have this diamond painting from FeeLook Art that I want to unbox from you all. This is the Flower Skull Memento Mori diamond painting, and it is by the artist Tabs Jones. If you're unfamiliar with FeeLook Art, you do get the diamond painting canvas in another long brown cardboard box when it is shipped to you, and then the diamond painting itself is wrapped in this plastic that you'll have to remove. And the box is very luxe. It says FeeLook Art, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. And then the side of the box says every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. And then the back of the box has instructions on how to diamond paint. You do see the art that you're getting on the side there. And it looks like this one is a round, and it's a 68 by 68 centimeters. We're going to go ahead and open it. I do have plenty other FeeLook unboxings, so I'm not going to go as in depth on this one. I will attempt to create a playlist and link it in the description below, but you can go browse my channel to see the other FeeLook diamond paintings that I've unboxed. You get this manual that gives you the instructions on how to diamond paint, and you can put your start and completion date. This is all their social media information. I will have their website in the description. They do give you a collector's card. This is the Flower Skull Memento Mori. I had some different options to choose from. They were all sort of dark options, and I've been pretty obsessed with skulls, so I chose this one. I think this would be great to do for Halloween. But this canvas is way larger than I would have purchased for myself. FeeLook sent me this to show you guys, so I did not have to pay for this. But here are the dimensions and the fabric size, and then you get stickers. And I believe this sticker pamphlet is new. It's something that they worked on after hearing complaints about not having stickers for the different symbols. So I'm very happy to see this. And then this is a huge canvas. Again, this is not one that I would have purchased myself because of the size, but the quality is absolutely amazing. And if you love to do large diamond paintings, I highly recommend a channel I love watching, Witty's Crafts. She did a really good review on FeeLook after purchasing one of their canvases using my code, and she actually tested out the canvas and the stickiness and the things. So I will link her channel in the description below as well. You get all of these drills. You get a lot of sparkly drills. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's some AB looking drills with that green. I mean, these are really pretty. And then you get the tweezers, you get extra baggies, you get this twist and pick pen, which I really like. Well, I'm calling it Twist and Pick. Diamond Art Club's pen is called Twist and Pick, but gives you a similar vibe to that. And then you also get the stickers that, oops, my sticker sheet came off. My sticker cover on the sticker sheets came off. But you get the stickers that they would have normally sent before they started giving you a sticker logbook, and then more baggies. So they give you a nice kit. They also give you 2 trays in here. Now this is a really pretty canvas. I would like to do this one. I have so many other things going on in my life right now. I don't really plan to make the time to do this one. I'm still planning out doing some other smaller ones that I want to get done for journaling with, but this is very pretty. I love that this one is a little bit smaller than some of the other FeeLook Art ones that I have, so I'd definitely be more apt to do this one first. I love the size. I love that it's square. The drill field is very clear. But I will put Witty's, I think her name is Whitney, her channel below for you to go look at her video on actually doing one of these. She did a phenomenal review, a way better review than I do for these. So FeeLook has so many, large canvases, and on my channel I try to focus on very small canvas projects and very small untraditional like canvases, like keychains and magnets and things of that nature, because they're things I can do in between work, on lunch break, traveling with. That's what I like to focus on. I don't focus on doing large ones, not yet in my life anyway. One day, you know, I may sit down and choose to do a larger one, but that's just not my point of focus. But if you do want to do a larger one, this is one of the best quality diamond painting kits that you can find on the market, FeeLook Art. So I don't know how much this one is on the site. It's probably ranging between 30 to 60 or 70 bucks. It's 60 or 70 is on the high end. So just keep that in mind when you're purchasing from them, because you are getting a more luxe experience. We're gonna look at this diamond painting from Five Below. Five Below has a lot of diamond paintings. This is one that I didn't have. This has been out for a while. I just hadn't purchased it because I wasn't thrilled about the swan when I first saw it, but I went back and I looked at it again and I was like, no, I kind of like it. So I want to see this in person. This was only $5. Okay, this is a big one. Bigger than what I was expecting. Okay, but it is a partial like I thought. Okay, so it is a partial. Not all of this is diamond painting. So you can see the fabric there. That's not part of the canvas, but you do have a lot of it that is canvas. That swan is going to be intense. And it does seem to lay pretty flat. It's very pretty. I wanted to look at it in person. So you get an orange boat and an orange stylus. I love that. And then you get these really pretty drills. I like this color. Oh, wow. Okay, so the swan, this is all the swan colors, these taupes or pale grays and grayish purple colors. The drills look good. They kind of look sparkly, but they're not sparkly. My eyes were deceiving me there, but they do look like really good quality drills. It looks like they give you the instructions here in the colors. This is really pretty. So this one is from Five Below. And this one I've seen in most Five Belows. Like if you really like this one, you should be able to find it. Okay. I was able to get this one while I was in Florida. I went ahead and picked it up for my birthday because I was like, why not? I'm here, so we'll add it to the stash. And for only $5, canvases like these are still. I haven't done one of these yet from Five Below, the partials. I've just been collecting them, all the ones that I like. So when I finally break down and start doing them, I will make a video. And then lastly, this is a diamond painting framed canvas from Five Below for only $5. I had not seen this one in the Carolinas, but I saw it in Florida. It's 11 by 8 by 15.75, and it's with a photo printed photo frame. And this tree is so pretty. And I had not seen this one in the Carolinas at the time that I had gone to Florida. So you get the blue boat and the blue stylus and the colors. I love that you get different colored boats and stylists with these. It's not just the plain like green boat every time. That's neat. So here are your drills. It doesn't seem like there's enough drills in here. Just looking at it, it just doesn't. But maybe there's more colors than what I'm looking at. But this seems like, this kind of looks like I'm going to run out. But let me look and see how much of it is canvas and what's the partial piece. That's a lot of colors there. I love that the instructions are like this. This is perfect for journaling, to put in a log book. Here's your boat, your stylus, and your wax. Okay. So maybe it's not as bad as I was thinking. I knew it was a partial, but I was like, in my mind, this didn't feel like enough drills, but maybe it is. This is very pretty. This is one of my favorites. And then you can just hang it up or prop it up right after. And you're only painting this piece. So I can't wait to do this one. I really, really like this one. This one was not in the Carolinas. So maybe we'll get it soon. I feel like, based off of what I've seen in my Florida travels, Florida always gets things before us. I found this kit at a Five Below in Tampa, Florida. So if you're in the Tampa, Florida area, go on over to Five Below. Their Five Below was really nice too. It was really big, very organized, very neat. Everything was very clean. that's the haul. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have these yet. And I will see you in the next one. I appreciate you guys. Take care of yourselves and happy crafting. Bye.